The Cali raised premium roof rack with the adjustable LED wind deflector is a pretty neat option for your Toyota Tacoma. However, due to the lack of instructions, the installation is not as straightforward as it seems. In today's video, I will show you the full installation, give you some tips and tricks along the way, and review what we think of the end product. First step in this installation is to get everything unpackaged and lay it all out and see what you're working with. Alright, so once you have all the crossbars on, we'll put on the back, and we'll put on the front, and then we'll get all the lights installed. Alright, the back piece is going to mount like so. So you want to make sure you put your 4 T-nuts in there before you tighten everything down. You must put the fairing assembly together separately before you install it on the roof rack. The hinge bolt assembly is bolt, bushing, washer, nut, and use the correct spacers. Use the reference photos on the installation instructions if you have any questions. Okay, the front fairing piece goes on with the longer bolts, just like this. It's a 2-piece sandwich you have to make. Now we're going to loosen one of the crossbars and slide the T-nuts in for the back feet. And here's the back feet, loosely installed on the second to last one. Middle feet, loosely installed on the middle one. And your front feet are here. Alright, here's the light bar bracket installed. Granted, this is upside down. Now we will prep the roof to receive the roof rack. First step is to remove the drip molding. Alright, a little trick. Once you take off your weather stripping, you can put a piece of tape across the middle of the holes. That way you have a reference point to mark where you need to punch for the spacers. Yeah, so now I have a mark and I know the punch needs to go right in that spot. Okay, now where we have the lines, we're going to use this 3/4 punch a hole for the spacer to go through. Okay, once you have your holes cut, I like to put a couple of pieces of tape to help hold the thing down. Next step is to grab a little bit of silicone, put it around the hole, and set the spacers in place all the way around the truck. All of the little spacers in place. We got our Loctite ready. Got our bolts ready. Now we're going to pick up the rack and put it up here. One important thing to note, if you decide to pay a few $100s extra for the side and back lighting, it does not include a wiring harness. I'm not sure how we're going to handle that problem. Alright, here is the final product.
We don't drop the light bar too, so.
And if you loosen these things, the light bar comes out. Pretty cool. Alright, the Cali race fits super tight against the truck. Almost too tight. For comparison, this is an up top. You can see that gap is way bigger. You can stick a whole finger in there. But overall, very nice. Took a lot longer to install than we had hoped. But looks really clean. Alright, one more thing to note is the sunroof is really close. Go ahead and open the vent. It actually hits the crossbar. Open it the other way. It does, however, open the normal way since it retracts into the roof. Does look pretty slick. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Tacoma and overlanding related content.